Right guys, welcome back again. Already done the veg and everything, preparation, just to make it a bit quicker for the video for you lot. This will be like, this you can do literally 15-20 minutes, because the prepping, the prep work can take 5 minutes, 10 minutes, depending how you chop it up and whatnot. So what I'd recommend is probably start sorting out your rice or whatever you're gonna have with the stir fry, and do your prep while that's going on, because everything should be cooked in 10-15 minutes. What we've got here, we've got some chopped onions, sliced onions, garlic, ginger, some all-purpose here, sliced peppers, red and green. You got the carrots and that. If you want, depending, you can add some chicken seasoning. The reason I'm not, because I'm gonna stir fry it and do a chicken stir fry with it, I'm gonna add a little bit of soy sauce, and then at the end I'm gonna add water and then thicken it up and make it like a Chinese chop suey, if you want to call it that, with some corn flour. Okay. Do it. Okay, so you see, nice little offcuts there. Put that in there. Bear with me. So, I'll put soy sauce, I'll say about a tablespoon. Yep. Alright guys, welcome back. First what I'm going to do is put the onions in. Obviously you can tell it's chopped and diced onion. Just let that heat up a bit. Then I want the carrots in. Peppers in. now guys, this is where I will put the chicken in. This is when you can add some of the all-purpose. Now I don't know if you can see how that's already looks wet rather than sticking. See the moisture coming out of there. You see already the juice in the bottom that's left. Guys, this on its own will be perfect, yeah? In a wrap. If you're going to do this in a wrap, you don't need to add the liquid now. You can add just a little bit for the juice, pour it out separately, do the wrap and drizzle it on top. Even if you're going to do like some mayonnaise, put some of this sauce in it, a little bit of the cilantro sauces in there, put some chili. Now with the chicken, if you look for like one of the biggest bits and you do this, see how that's split in half? Like that. Just see that? Break it in half. You know that's done. So basically this is done now, but I'm going to give it another couple of minutes. Now what I'm going to do is add some of the cold water, the corn flour. Obviously put the fire medium to high because it's going to make everything cold again. When you, so can you see how runny that is? Look how runny that is. Show you with a spoon before it thickens up. It's nice, literally that runny. Put a bit more. For a fact. Now if you can see in the corner how it's bubbling, it's now starting to reduce a little bit. Now let me show you the difference compared to before. You can just tell how that's already thickening up. So now guys, this is where you're gonna start tasting it. So you can either add more salt, more flavor, or maybe yeah. Taste that again. Yeah. Bad. I'm gonna tell you. Come on. sauce is looking like this. A lot thicker. Bring the light on it so you can see that properly. Just serve that with some white rice.